Mama Bear all the way from down our yard. I'm going to prepare our delicacy today. French fry plantain. Funny story. One morning I wake up, my partner, I'm just a nail. So I'm going to make farm. I'm going to grow where I'm eat and eat where I'm grow. Long story short, to the farm there, well, lemongrass over there, I'm planting not much, but at least him do what that cassava. I think that a cassava, I don't know nothing about farming, but well, him gone right now, and when I'm ready, I show you a bucket of water over there, but I really know about. However, I've been reaping, right? Me get one bunch of plantain. You're going, and also I got gungo. Right? 1 week straight me I eat gungo rice and peas. Yes, me dear. There are 3 gungo trees. Yes, the chef at work. I went to Shabaloo Culinary Cooking School of Art. So you know, pian frying a plantain this, right? So you see me I slice up my plantain them nice and neat. Looking at my deep fryer. When you take a look in at my deep fryer, look where they bubble, look where they no boil, it a boil. It a spring. Look where they spring up. Just take a good look over there. So the food critic there, him not taste any type of food. It have to be top food where top chef a do. So you know what me a talk about him there. Although him head dry, so him know him stuff and him know when him taste good food. See him there, watch him stubborn do. Go Mama Bear, go Mama Bear, go Mama Bear. If I no be honest with myself, I know some amount I run water for me planting. Not true. But just stay calm and me go and share it. So it's finished now, guys. So who is ready to eat? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself one more time. I'm proud of myself. Yeah, me I sprinkle a little salt, yes. Give it a little more flavor. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Yes, see it there? Look there. Watch there. Who there? Look palm plantain. Look palm plantain. Jesus, me too greedy. No man. Me couldn't make it cool. Me couldn't make it cool.
This is the best plantain.
So MJ, what do you think about anti-plantain? French fry plantain?
It tastes good.
Yes, that alone, Lela, how anti-plantain tastes. Lela? How anti-plantain tastes? Give me back. Give it back. If you don't know, Auntie joking, okay? You okay, Lela? Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Isaiah, what do you think about mommy French fry plantain?
It tastes so good.
Yeah?
I want the whole plate of it.
Yeah? I know you would love it, baby. French fry plantain. Cheers. Cheers. Woo! You're so cute. You're not gonna say thank you?
So you guys just talking about me and what about us?
Sister Bear giving baby brother Bear a shower. By the time she come, it will be all finished. Trust me. I might just put on something. You're always trying to put on, I don't know what. You don't have to, every time you don't have to put on clothes that match on him.
Yes, they have to match.
Who's seeing him? Guys, if you realize that she's in the same clothes from the video yesterday. Look at her.
I was going to bed.
We cannot see your face. You have to come closer.
I am going to bed right now.
Isaiah, don't put your hair in my camera when I'm videoing. Because why you don't like to comb your hair? So guys, Brother Bear is enjoying his French fry plantains. So Sister Bear, how do you like your French fry plantains? Mommy, don't put too much salt, please. You hear, baby? Not too much salt. Too much salt. What's that? When you finish, you're going to have a shower? I just asking because 2 videos are in the same clothes. I just asking. I am going to turn off the camera as soon as you answer my question. You're so beautiful. Girl, let me see if we stop teeth. Baby Quest. Hi, Baby Quest.
Hi, Mommy.
You're okay? Hello, Baby Quest. Uh-oh. Baby Quest, here you go. How is Mommy's plantain? Taste nice? Come here, Baby Quest. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
You got banana.
Here. Here you go. You love Mommy plantain? Wow. Mommy fried up by Auntie Tasha is sharp. Tastes nice? Yes? I know that Brother Bear enjoying it. It's like how him no love food already. Guys, please remember to subscribe.